Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to cut and trim a video in DaVinci Resolve. Before we begin, make sure that your clip is already set on the timeline and you're in the third panel, Edit. So the first method is when you hover on top of your clip, you can see these two white lines and you can shorten your clip. That's the first method. The second method is to use the blade over here, or you can choose B on your keyboard. With the blade, hover on top of your video and choose the part that you want to be cut. Then select the arrow again and you can move your clip, or you can cut a portion inside the clip and remove that portion. And the third method is put your playhead on top of your video where you want to be cut and press Ctrl B. That's it for today, guys. So if you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel.